One of the best things about this job is getting to see all the brand new knives and gear before anyone else. So we've rounded up our favorites for the first of what will be an ongoing monthly series. I'm David C. Andersen coming at you from the Knife Center, and here are the best knives that made the biggest impression on us in April and May of 2019. The first is a point of pride for us, and that's our exclusive red A-LOX version of the Victorinox Swiss Army Pioneer X. By adding a pair of scissors to the Pioneer platform, this tool is more versatile than ever, and we appreciate the added looks and durability provided by the aluminum construction. This knife looked great in its standard silver A-LOX, but the red is even better, and you can only get it from the Knife Center. Next up is one of the most anticipated releases this year from Spyderco, and it landed just a few weeks ago, the Para 3 Lightweight. It switches up the materials on the already great Para 3 design to make it even easier to carry. The handles feature Spyderco's famous bidirectional textured FRN that grant positive traction in nearly any environment. It provides plenty of strength, and it's even lighter and thinner than their popular G10 versions. Throw in their equally famous wire deep carry clip and more affordable BD1N steel, and this is a competitively priced EDC made right here in the USA. Another lightweight icon, the Benchmade Bug-Out, recently spawned a sister model with more tactical chops, the Benchmade Bailout. It trades the S30V drop point for a 3V Tanto blade with a Cerakote finish for plenty of durability, toughness, and edge retention. And it still locks up with their signature axis lock for strong ambidextrous operation. It also adds a protruding aluminum pommel with a wide lanyard slot. It's perfect for striking and a little light prying. The next spot is actually shared by three different knives, and that's the Civivi Anthropo, Plethoros, and McKenna, designed by Elijah Isham. Isham is one of the hottest designers out there right now, and he's collaborated with a bunch of different companies, usually on a lot of high-end designs. Of course, those high-end designs usually cost a little bit of money. Well, thanks to Civivi, the budget line from We Knife Company, that has changed with this trio of new folders that have his signature styling, solid build quality, and a very affordable price. I especially love the inline flipper tabs on the Anthropo and Plethoros models, which don't stick out far at all, yet still provide satisfying flipping action. I also like what they've done with the handles on some of these models that feature laminated carbon fiber on top of G10. They've then milled it out for a cool two-tone layer effect, and it looks fantastic. Throw in D2 steel and you've got a great set of knives with impeccable style and a price that won't break the bank. Next up is from another one of our favorite designers, Michael Zieba. Now, you wouldn't know it from first glance, but these heritage models are actually slip joints. They've got more in common with the non-locking pocket knives of yesteryear, but the materials and construction are all modern. The blades may open with a nail nick, but the steel is M390 with a wicked harpoon point shape. The handles are scaled down versions of his Master Hunter fixed blade, and they're contoured for a phenomenal feel in the hand. We've got three handle options to choose from: natural micarta, cookie carbon fiber, and the ever popular marbled carbon fiber. These are great looking designs that really push the ball forward of what a slip joint can be. Now for a stunning drop we recently got from Olamic Cutlery. They already make some of our favorite mid-techs on the market, but this latest batch goes above and beyond with embellished handles and gorgeous Damasteel blades. The variety they've achieved is stunning, and we still have a nice selection of Wayfarer, Busker, and Swish models to choose from. This next one came a little bit out of left field. Now, we were already fans of the CRKT Crossbones. It made our list of our favorite executive knives in the past, but this latest version is even better. Rather than being imported from Asia, this version was made by Lion Steel in Italy, and if you know anything about Lion Steel, that tells you all you need to know about the high quality of this knife. The frame is now full titanium, and it sports a frame lock instead of the liner lock on the entry-level version, but it still sports the same flowing milled pattern. The trailing point blade has been upgraded to M390 steel, making this whole knife a truly premium package. Now, the only downside is that this is a limited run to just 500 units, so if you want one, you don't want to wait. Next up is the Kershaw Launch 8. Now, this series of American-made automatic knives has always represented an absolute bargain, with premium CPM 154 steel and top-notch push-button action. The Launch 8 is all of that wrapped up in a handle that echoes the classic Italian stiletto, and the aluminum handles even rock carbon fiber inlays for one of the best-looking launch knives yet. Finally, we couldn't leave this list without some fixed blade love, and the first is the LT Wright Gen 5. This is a new addition to their Genesis family with a slightly longer 5-inch blade, and I found this knife to be just about perfect for all things bushcraft, camping, and survival. If you want to see this knife in closer detail, click the link in the corner to see my full rundown. but the short version is this. For a versatile, do-it-all outdoor fixed blade, the Gen 5 gets the job done, is made in America, and comes with a lifetime warranty to back it up. Last but not least, a ton of folks, myself included, have been waiting for what seems like forever for the Condor Pterosaur to finally drop, and it finally did. For the price, this might be the best bushcraft knife for the money, with a full tang 1095 blade and overmolded handle that's insanely comfortable. And the price is right too. It's low enough that you won't be afraid to abuse it, and it's also a great candidate for stashing in your emergency kit or go bag. And it's even a great knife that you could loan out to friends on a camping trip when they show up without a blade. This is a super solid design, and we think it's destined to be one of Condor's classic models in no time. That's it for this round. Be sure to let us know down below what you think of our picks, and if you think we missed something, make sure to let us know as well. Keep coming back for all our great content, including these monthly lists, and if you want to order something you've seen here, click the link below to head over to KnifeCenter.com.